Moist. Moist. Okay, so when it comes to certain products, I do have, my preferences. Like when it comes to cameras, I f***ing love Fujifilm. Like they're awesome. When it comes to laptops, okay, I don't really have a preference for laptops. But when it comes to headphones and audio gear, I'm a big Sony fan, especially when it comes to wireless headphones. They're WF-1000X, they're WH-1000X M3s. They're just like, oh, so good. And they're also very affordable. So I'm always like, every time people ask me what kind of wireless headphones to buy, I'm like, buy Sony lah. It's cheap, good, and premium. But today I have something that is like completely opposite. It is not cheap. Okay lah, I guess it's still good. It should be good and premium lah. But it's probably one of the most expensive headphones that I've ever held, wireless ones anyway. And today we're gonna unbox it, and it is the AirPods Max. Okay, so these are the brand new Apple AirPods Max, and of course you've probably heard of them. Like if you're into tech at all, you would have heard a whole bunch of people talking about these headphones because first of all, these are, I think, Apple's first big over-ear headphones. They had like the AirPods Pro and the AirPods, and now they're making it the AirPods Max. So these are them, and they are very expensive. That's probably the other thing that you heard about them, because in Malaysia this retails for 2,399 ringgit. That is a lot of money. Like that is more than double what my Sony's will cost today. And is it double better? I don't know. Let's find out. So I've tried not to open this. Like normally before I unbox, okay, this is a tech tip or like a spoiler behind the scenes. Normally when I unbox things, I open them up, I like try to make sure everything's running and turning on before I actually start shooting it. But this one, I didn't even try, okay? I just peel off the plastic because, okay, I had to peel off the plastic lah, I was so curious. But I haven't like taken it out of the case or whatever. So yeah, let's enjoy this moment together. First we'll pop the lid. Classic Apple, very nice box, high quality. All right, inside is clean. You've got the AirPods Max in the absolutely ridiculous case, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. And then there's like this little thing here, and then designed by Apple in California, which I'm guessing is where the stickers are. No stickers oh. Oh, no stickers oh. Only come with your iPhone. No, Mac also got. And you get a cable. Oh, got cable. I thought it was wireless. You get a charging cable. So this is a USB-C to Lightning. So I believe the Lightning port is here. Yep, there is a Lightning port there. I'm surprised it's not USB-C though. Why isn't it USB-C? So it should plug right in. Oops, this end. It should plug right in here. Boop. That's how you charge it. That's how you charge it. Just stick it in the butt. Anyway, that's all for the box. As usual, Apple packaging is like Apple's packaging is very nice. It's very premium. Like all this paper, you can feel like, wow, this paper almost feels like it wasn't made from trees. Almost. Oh. And then you've got the case. So I believe a lot of people have already made fun of this case. Not me, I haven't yet. But I saw the article on this website called soyajincha.com, where I think it was like, it looked a bit like a bra. Not the best kind of description, but yes, the case is kind of like weird. But the headphones, okay, ooh, right off the bat, it's like, goddamn. Oh. That's a sound you don't hear with headphones very often. So like I mentioned earlier, these pair of headphones, like I've used like some of its biggest competitors, the Sony WF-1000X Mark IIIs are something I daily every day. Ray has a pair of the Mark IVs. I've even got to try like the Bose QC35s. The only one I haven't really tried is the HD700s. And right off the bat, just like holding this thing, oh, I can already tell you that this is probably better built than any one of those, or maybe all of those combined. Like this cold metal touch is insane. Like look at that. no other headphone that I've used, no other wireless or mass market headphone that I've used uses like aluminium to make as part of the construction. And they do it for good reason, you know. It's because aluminium is metal and metal is heavy. So usually you'll find a lot of plastic, maybe the band is metal, but then the rest of the construction is plastic. Some of them will use wood because apparently that's better acoustics. As far as build quality goes, I think these are probably the best built headphones that I've ever held so far. So one other cool thing that I quite like about this is that each ear cup has like its own sort of like pivoting area. And it's not like a simple ball joint. There's actually like a spring mechanism, so it will spring back. So you can like this, it's hard to move, but then you lift it and then it's easier to turn. Oops. Which I guess brings me to the next thing that I really like for these headphones is that the ear cups are magnetic. Like they just like listen to that. It's like, oh. Ooh. Dude, magnets are just something else. They make everything feel more premium. Like seriously, that is such an ingenious way to talk about to do ear cups, right? Like ear cups, these are the first things that will spoil in your headphones. Okay, it's probably not going to be the joint. It's probably not going to be the band. It's not going to be the case. It's going to be the ear cups. These little things that, you know, will be on your face all the time, picking up all the sweat and grime and gross things that us as humans secrete. These will disintegrate. So having ones that are just so easily, you can just pop them off and put them on like so easily. Like why are more people not doing this? Why are they not doing this? Like hello? Like this is how it should be. Instead, you end up with a whole bunch of like, for example, headphones that you gotta really peel to really get the what you call it, the ear cups off. Like you gotta really like rub, or like some of them even have like clips that might break because they're thin plastic clips, right? So you have to be really gentle. It's like surgical procedure every time you want to take them off or put them on. These are just like, whoop. Like I don't even need to look. Look, I'm not even looking. It's like, there you go. Hello? Like that's so good. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, yeah, so build quality is super awesome, but I hate the case. Like the case is just really dumb. Like what is this? Like how is this even legally allowed to be a headphone case? So apparently you're supposed to like fold it flat and then you put it in, and then the headphones will enter like a low power mode to save battery, so they can leave them there. But this case looks so stupid and it doesn't protect from anything. Like I have the WF-1000X Mark IIIs, those come with a hard case. So a hard case, like I can just throw it in and I just toss it like in my luggage, in my bag, in my backpack, like wherever, right? I'm okay. Like I don't have to worry about it being damaged because it has a nice hard case. This one, like holy crap, like it's not protecting this at all. So you know, I don't know how well this is supposed to protect, but again, it uses magnets, so it feels like super premium, I think. Not a fan. Apple, please make something better. I know you can. You don't have to go off your way to be hipster. But that's enough about the case. Next thing I want to talk about is the band. So it apparently uses like a clickless, like, oh, oh, that is satisfying. It's clickless, which I don't know if I'm a big fan of. I guess it's better if the grip is good. And this thing has like good grip, my goodness. If I were to put it on my head, right? Oh, I can't even hear, oh, I can't hear myself. But this is ANC on, I'm guessing. Wow, holy crap, that's incredible. This is really comfortable. Like I was looking at this headband, right? It looks kind of thin and flimsy, but it's actually really comfortable. If again, wrong side. If I put it on my head, like there you go. Yeah, that's pretty good support. I don't feel the band on my head, even though these are really heavy headphones. It's comfortable. It's comfortable for now. I don't know about like 8 hours into my listening session whether it'll be comfortable or not, but yeah, it's comfortable. It's also already on. I don't know if you can turn these off or if you have to use the case to sort of like silence them. But there are a couple of controls. So over on this ear cup, you can see there is a digital crown, which is something that you will find on their Apple's Apple Watches. And then you've got a button here which you can press. You can press the digital crown also, which is cool. Over this side, there's nothing. It's just clean. Over here, you've got the lightning port, a light, what looks like a couple of microphones, and what's this? Oh, I think it's like more slots for microphones. Yeah, so it's a very minimal design, like it's really clean. I'm surprised that there are no touch controls, which is kind of weird. Like, I don't think there's any touch controls. Yeah, I don't have. So that's like, terbalik again. Maybe they need to have more obvious left, right, or maybe I just need to not be such an idiot. But it does do this one really annoying thing where if I were to like sort of tighten it, I can hear the ear cup sort of like swish around. But I think that's like a very minor problem. Not like we're gonna do that every day also, right? So as far as comfort goes, yeah, this is pretty good. So I'm gonna turn on and see now. Dude, this is not bad. Like, this is not, it sounds, I can hear myself, but it sounds like I'm talking in the next room. And I'm already in a treated room and it's like dead silent right now. Do I look ridiculous? He says yes. I can see in his face. I don't know, I can't tell what I look like right now because I can't see my face, but let me know, do I look ridiculous with these on? Even though like the band is really comfortable, I can still feel the weight, but the clamping force is really gentle. It's supple. It's like I'm here to hold you, but I'm not here to like ew. So that's like not bad. I would have to say that for headphones as heavy as these, they seem to be carrying their weight pretty well. But okay, yeah, let's try and turn on transparency, I think. What happens if I press? Oh, it doesn't work now because if I press this one. Oh, hey, this sounds okay. So transparency usually sucks. Like on my Sony headphones. Okay, my Sony headphones actually sound pretty good, but on the small ones, the WFs, those suck. Like, they're terrible. You can clearly tell it's been piped through the mic. And if you're talking about Galaxy Buds, that's even worse. This is not bad. Like, holy crap. This is not bad. It's almost believable. Like, it's almost like if let's say I just woke up and and my voice is a bit messed up, right? Yeah, this is what that sounds like. So I can kind of tell that it is from microphones, but it sounds pretty realistic. I think though the AirPods Pro ones still sound better, but I have to listen to them side by side before I can really tell. But this is not bad, this is like really good. How do I do the instant pair thing? Let me try.
Oh. Press the ground.
Oh! Oh, you very smart lah. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for the noise cancellation and transparency. Oh, okay. Oh, spatial audio. Oh. See and hear how it works. Wow! So right now I have spatial audio on and I can hear like there's somebody shaking something here, there's somebody tapping something there, like. Okay, it doesn't change the volume, but I can tell where everything's coming from, whereas if it was stereo audio, it's like so 2D. Okay, now for some music. I'm just a Spotify person, okay, I don't listen to FLAC. Am I shouting? I can't hear myself.
A few moments later.
It's crisp. It's like you can really hear the different instruments. The separation is like even in like a really messy song, it's like you can pick out like, okay, this is guitar A, guitar B. So the bass on this thing is not like really overwhelming, but it's good. It's like a nice balance. I probably would have liked a little bit more like playfulness, I guess, in like the low ends especially. Like Sony has like a lot more warmer kind of tone to my ears anyway. This one's a lot more clinical. I don't know if I enjoy it more. Let's listen to a podcast. Oh, it's like Roman Mars is in my ear. Okay, I have to stop. The AirPods Max. I mean, okay, first of all, they sound really good. Like, I think they sound great, which is to be expected, right? I don't think any of the AirPods like sound really bad, except maybe the basic AirPods. And these are probably my favorite sounding ones as far as the AirPods series goes. But are they better? Do I like them better than like my Sonys? I don't know yet. They're like a different characteristic. This sounds, like I said, a lot more clinical, a lot less fun, but the sort of separation, like the ability to hear like all the instruments. I don't know if I'm using the right terms or not because I'm not an audiophile, but like the ability to hear all sorts of instruments, even like a really messy song, the way you can tell like, okay, the what do you call it, sound staging, I think is what it's called, is pretty good for closed back headphones, okay? It also pairs like super seamlessly with the iPhone, like You just double tap the button and it's just like bloop. Oh, you want a pair of AirPods Max? Like that's the beauty of like pretty much all Apple products. And then I mean the construction is absolutely gorgeous. Like I think this is definitely the best, if not one of the best build headphones that I have had the chance to hold, and I've had the chance to hold quite a few headphones. Like I really like the magnetic ear cups. I think like please more people do this. If you want to copy Apple, don't copy the design, but copy this. This is awesome. Like this will make my life so much easier. Beautiful. The headband I think is way more comfortable than I thought it would be, and way more comfortable than it looks, even though like I can see through it. It provides pretty good support, but it doesn't take away from the fact that these are heavy headphones, and you can definitely feel the weight on your head. These are weighty, and there's a reason why people don't use aluminum, is because metal is heavy, and this is heavy. So it feels really nice, especially like this cold touch, like in the aircon room. Wow. Will that end up being fatiguing over the long run? I don't know. I have to like really test it out first. So definitely stay tuned for my full review. But for this pair of headphones, for this video right now, those are my first thoughts for the Apple AirPods Max. They are double the price of like a really good pair of truly wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones. So I don't know if it's worth it. But first impressions are pretty strong, and I'm really excited to try it out. So if you wanna, know what we think of these pair of headphones, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel because you don't want to miss that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell icon. You can also like us on Facebook to follow updates there. But our home on the internet will always be on soyachinchow.com. And I realize I always forget to plug our Instagram, so follow us on Instagram also. It's at mysoyachinchow. We've got a lot of photos. We're a lot more active there now. You don't want to miss it. Okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.